Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you factorizing. As we studied in the class, we have many types of questions. We will start first with difference between two squares. Then we will take the standard form of the quadratic, ax squared plus bx plus c, and we have two cases. Okay, let's see some examples. We will start, as we said, by difference between two squares. As you see, x squared can be factored to be x and x, and this 36 is a square number. You know the square number is 36 or 49. 7 times 7 is 49, so 49 is a square number. We can say from the beginning that 1 is a square number, 4 is a square number because 2 times 2 is 4, and 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 is a square number. 4 times 4 is 16, so 16 is a square number. You know the square numbers. So 36 is 6 times 6, and 1 is positive and the second one is negative. 81 is 9 times 9. X squared is x times x, so minus 9 plus 9. This will be x minus 3, x plus 3. When you know that 36 could be 6 times 6 and 81 is 9 times 9 and x could be x times x, so we can open two brackets to write 36 6 times 6, x squared x and x. 81 is 9 and 9, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Here the same for x minus 10, for x plus 10. We can start with the positive in the first bracket, or we can start with the negative, so no problem with the order of the signs. In this example, we can say that if you have an even power, you can divide this to be x squared and x squared. 25 is 5 and 5, 1 positive, 1 negative. This one, x power 4, x squared minus 6, x squared minus plus 6. This will be x power 3 minus 10, x power 3 plus 10. Let's try this new one. If we have, for example, x power 4 minus 16. X power 4 minus 16, you can say that this will be x squared minus 4, x squared plus 4. Can you see that we can take this from the beginning, x squared minus 4, as we did here. X squared is x and x, 36 is 6 and 6. Can you say the same here? Yes, you can say the same here. This is difference between two squares, so we can factorize completely x minus 2 and x plus 2 for this bracket only. But this bracket we cannot factorize the sum of two squares, so we will leave this, and this will be your final answer. So if you can simplify more, you go. Next, ax squared plus bx plus c. A is the first number, here is 1, this is b, and this is c. To factorize this, take the last one, which is 6. 6 can be factored in 1 and 6, negative 1 and 6, and negative 6. 6 is 2 times 3, negative 2 times negative 3. So you have 4 groups. Then, as you used the c here, you should now use the 5 here. How? By add each pair. Adding 1 and 6 will be 7. Adding this negative 7, this is 5, and this is negative 5. Look here, you will find your target here. So now 2 and 3 will be the answer, positive 2 and positive 3. Different one, this is negative 6. Negative 6 is 1 times negative 6, negative 1 times 6, negative 2 times 3, 2 and negative 3. All of them, each group will give you negative 6, but we need which one? The group, when we add the two factors, they should give us positive 5. This will give you negative 5 and this will give you 5. So we use addition between between the pair of the group to find the middle one. So this would be x minus 1, x plus 6. Number 3, the positive 6 would be 1 and 6, negative 1, negative 6, 2 and 3, negative 2 and negative 3. When we add this will give you negative 5. So the answer will be x minus 2, minus 3. Same idea here, negative 6 is negative 2 times 3, negative 1 times 6, 1 times negative 6. 1 and negative 6, when you multiply, this will give you a negative 6, and when you add, this will give you negative 5. So we will take this x plus 1 with the positive 1, x minus 6 with the negative 6, and this is the answer. Now we have the final case, ax squared plus bx plus c. You know this is c, this is b, and a here is not 1. What should you do? As we said in the class, you take the 3 with the 3, I mean the a and the c, multiply them together. ac equals 3 times 3, which is 9. ac is 9. Now factorize the 9. 1 and 9, negative 1 and negative 9, 3 times negative 3, negative 3 with negative 3, and 3 with 3. 1 plus 9 will give you 10. So now you have two brackets. To get rid of the tricky idea here, we can use the following steps. We have two steps. The first one, x squared will be x and x, but the 3 will be with each one of them, yani 3x, and you said 1 and 9, this is positive 1 and positive 9. But you can notice that we took 3 twice here. Okay, here's the next step. Simplify one of the two brackets. This could be divided by 3 in both terms. So leave the first one, 3x plus 1, and this will be x plus 3, and this is your final answer and right answer. The same here. Multiply 3 and 4 is 12. 12, 2 and 6 will give you 8. When you multiply 2 and 6, this will be 12, and when you add, this will give you 8. Okay, so 3x plus 2, 3x plus 6. Use the 3 twice to know which bracket will be simplified. Divide this by 3 and leave the first one, x plus 2, x plus 2. And this is everything we studied in the class for today. The last one, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 is 2 times 7, negative 2 times negative 7. We can change just to use a different idea. Here we have negative 2 and negative 7 will give you negative 9. If it was positive, we will take this one. Okay. Now we have 2x minus 2 and 2x minus 7. This cannot be simplified, so we can simplify this by dividing by 2. This will be x minus 1, 2x minus 7. And this is your final answer. Thank you for watching this, and check the videos to find any extra or other videos for the same lesson. But till now we have explained all the ideas.